Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing two things. I'm announcing the winner of my last giveaway, and I'm also going to be sharing details for my giveaway for this month. I tried something different with the winner announcement recently, and it hasn't seemed to be working out. I posted it in my stories on my channel, but I decided I might as well just do a video here as well, just in case. The winner of my last giveaway is LP Red Flower. Congratulations to you. Please contact me via email, and I'll give you details below on how many days you have. If I don't hear from you by then, I will select another winner. I really enjoyed putting the giveaway together last month, and I'm still looking forward to the one for this month as well. So Chalkola contacted me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their products, and of course I said yes. The items they sent me are this chalkboard with a marker included, this white marker on the left, plus a set of their chalk markers as well. And this set of markers also includes a metallic set of markers, which you see in the box here. So details for the giveaway, I will leave those details in the description box below, but I will be asking you a couple questions at the end of this video, which you will be answering to enter the giveaway. I'm so excited that Chalkola asked me to review their markers and also offered a set of markers for my winner as well. And I can't wait to show you guys how I've used the markers in the projects. I have actually made 4 projects with the markers, and I have to say that I really did have fun using them and kind of getting a feel for the sets. So let me just show you what will be included. Now, there's a different set that you will get to select depending on where you live. I know that they have a few areas that they can deliver to because it is done through Amazon, and it's where Amazon delivers their products. So just check those details below in case, but it is open at this point to the US, Canada, and the UK. So let me show you what I've done with some of these, and hopefully you'll get some ideas if you've got something similar at home as well. I wanted to decorate this little metal bin because I know that, it's good for those surfaces. I also have this pack of chalk paper, and I guess it's been coated in a way that you can use chalk markers on it. This plastic on the cover is also giving me ideas for something else in the future, a different project. So I will be using this somehow to show you guys what I've done with it. And I'm going to get started with the little metal bucket. Now you have to prime your marker first, and that's shake it, a little bit, and then squeeze the tip until you see the color come through. I am using the chalkboard that they sent in this, in this set as my kind of primer tester. And I'll give you details and dimensions for the chalkboard in case you're interested in that as well. And Chalkola has also offered a coupon code that I will also leave details below on how you can get discounts if you decided to purchase any items from Chalkola. So back to this little bucket, I have seen a few Instagram posts where people have showcased little pottery and things they put on their desk that have these cute little faces on them. So I wanted to recreate that on my bucket. And what I love about the chalk markers, of course, is that they're wipeable. So if I wanted to completely erase this, I could. And I can switch it around as often as I want to, which I think is also fun. And it really is, such a great saturation of color. I really, really love how they're coming out. You'll see me kind of use porcelain, a little porcelain bowl here. I've sped up this part of the video a little bit because I'm just repeating the same pattern, but I wanted to decorate it so that, when I do add my little pieces that I'm using. It's got a nice kind of decorated bowl. Again, I could totally wash this and put something else on it, like draw something else on it or color it in different ways. And I think that's one of the things that I really love about chalk markers is that, you know, you can start over. It's nothing permanent. The other thing I've done before is I've worked in my little mini art journal. You don't see this often because I don't work on it often. It's just when I feel like doing something bright and colorful and really mixed media. So I'm going to test out the metallic markers on one of the pages, which I have pre-gessoed on it so that the color kind of doesn't absorb through the paper as much. And I'm going to use the metallic markers, which right now I really like. I like the way they feel in your hand. They feel like a pen. The color is already primed for you, so I'm not having to prime the marker. The ink is already on the tip. And even though they say metallic, they're not as shiny as I thought they were going to be. So I really like that about the markers, the metallic kind. They're not as, you know, shiny metallic as I had envisioned. And they glide so nicely. Like I said, they feel like a marker, like a regular marker. But I know that because it's their Chalkola product, it's so easy to start over if I wanted to. Obviously, I'm not going to on my paper because I want this to kind of stay where it is. And I'm just trying out different marks. If you guys have, you know, watched people do a lot of mixed media, they suggest doing a lot of marks just to kind of get started, to fill up a page. And then, of course, you'll add so many more layers to this if you wanted to afterwards. But this is sort of like my test little pages of, you know, products that I may want to test out and see how they work, do some collaging, and just sort of play with this. And I really do enjoy doing that with many of my journals. And I'm really liking how these markers are filling up my page. And like I said, the best part about this set for me is just how they feel in my hands. So I'm going to just add the silver one, just a few more marks there. I think I might be getting a lot more use of the silver and gold going forward, but I definitely will be playing around more with the variety of colors and you know, markers that they have sent. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I have one more project to share. And don't forget to enter the giveaway by, you know, of course, leaving a comment below. I do try and have a monthly giveaway for my subscribers. I really appreciate you. Thank you so, so much. I haven't replied to all the comments that you left before because there are so many and I'm slowly working my way up there, but I've read every single one. I really appreciate it. You guys really make me so happy when I read the comments, and I know that I've inspired you and that you're making something that I have shared with you. It just makes me so happy, and it also makes me happy that I'm able to share, you know, something with all of you on a monthly basis as I try to do giveaways as often as I can on my channel. So let me just show you the next project, and then hopefully you guys will be able to get some more ideas. If you also do have some chalk markers yourself, let me know what you use them for besides using them on your chalk boards. I also wanted to make some labels because, as I mentioned earlier, I'm trying to kind of organize my space a little bit more, and I think having labels that are erasable are perfect for me because I'm always moving things around, not only in the space but also in the containers I use. It seems to be like an ever-flowing organization in my space, I guess, until I find the perfect one, which I'm not even sure if I will. I wanted to highlight, sort of make a little border around the black label here. And I really love how the contrast of the black and white is. And it's just such a nice, sharp white color that's coming through. And what I wanted to do with these labels is make something a little different. I have a few metal clips, and I don't remember the name of them, but I have a few of them that I wanted to use, and I thought kind of attaching them in a way that I can move them around again, like I said, in my baskets and bins. If I attach it to one end, I think it's cute, and it makes it look like a mini, you know, clipboard. I thought that was really cute. And, you know, of course I can use both sides, you know, clip them, unclip them, move them around. It's just going to work nicely. So I hope you guys like the share. I have 2 questions that I would like for you to answer for me. One is, how would you use your chalk markers if you were to win? And then also, which one of the projects did you like the best that I shared with you? Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enter the giveaway. I think these were so much fun to use, and thank you again to Chalkola for offering them, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.